So we came out to this early morning car meet with Christian that my friend co-worker drove from Evasive, and we have another car meet actually on the other side of the lot, so it's kind of actually two. We got the Evasive tent. You know, we also got some nice merch too.
The second purple elevator, go down 2 flights.
I don't want to touch all the shirts with my floppy ass hands. But yeah, we got some nice merch too, and some nice cars, of course. You know, from Subarus to ITRs, and got spoon calipers. Ooh, boosted. Shit, alright. Ooh, I know that guy with the purple Subi. I talked to that guy before. Yeah, he's cool.
To the 2 Supras.
Good. Can't do this many things with fucking 2 hands, Christian. Shit.
Type R is fucking sick.
Because sometimes they start adding so much stuff to it, you know, it gets too much. But this is like just subtle clean. Yeah. And it's good because it's not like hot. The sun would be out, you know. We got some drift cars too. Big ass turbo. Oh yeah. Damn, his hood is fucking dinged up. See the bottle holding his headlight and shit.
Yep.
Respect for sure. Ooh. See, I told you we got some beamers too. Oh shit. Checking out my car. I know. Ooh, the beamers. Beamers, Christian.
Come on, tell me I'm wrong.
I like that carbon fucking. Ooh. See, Christian, people don't like this, but I like it a lot because it's fast as fuck.
The M4. Nice. Took a one I wanted to spin in one.
Is it the fucking Keith edition or whatever you call it with the emblem when it has all the colors on it, the red, the black, and the blue, and the white?
I'm not sure.
Cause that's like the special edition. That's the fancy fucking
Competition?
something like that. It's like a different fucking
They're fucking nice.
thing, huh?
Launch good. And they sound nice.
Ooh.
Oh, there's another G.
Yeah. Evos.
Alright, I'll take half the meat. Ooh, those rims are nice.
Are those Nismo rims? I think these are Nismo
Are they
rims.
raised? Yeah, they're raised.
Are they? Because the Nissan has a factory design that's like that with the, how you call it, the dots on it. Damn.
Why does this one look so squared? Looks good though.
Pretty clean. Little carbon hood here and there. I did 2 sets of these mountain balance, but that was on a Porsche, so they were like fucking wide, like 1011 or some shit. So like fucking wide ass rims.
Is nice.
I think this is like wide as fuck too. What is he running, like 300? 280? Beamer though. I gotta finish up mine more. That thing is spicy.
Like a Corvette.
It is, huh? I don't know if it's the wheels. Kind of big, no? Wheels?
Yeah.
They're like what? 20s? 19s?
It's nice though.
It's all carbon fucking fenders. Crazy. It's funny because you can't see the cage from the tint on the side. You can only see it from the front.
Crazy to import them.
I like it set up with the wheels. Damn.
Two different sets.
Smell the dank. I was like, it hit me. I'm like, oh shit.
So everything's in there. Even the routing says where everything should go, and it's like they could find all, even though it's not quite the right spot.
Yeah.
Like
They can just
like
tack
this
it down to
like this
the
guy.
diagram's not perfectly accurate.
Yeah, be like it's like, oh, that's just a schematic. Don't worry about it.
This is big dick energy right there.
This is, dude.
You know, everybody's driving those big ass truck. You driving this? Oh hey.
Good morning.
How you guys doing?
Oh, good morning.
Sorry, I need to give you the fist bump too. Damn.
They're very specific of like.
Let's look inside.
Honestly,
Shit. Tiny.
Those seats are crazy.
I know. Little bucket seats. Stock bucket seats.
You're big if you didn't.
Imagine you put a K-swap in this and do turbo that shit. Put some fucking wide body semi-slicks on it.
That shit would fly.
I would be scared. You know. I fuck with the IS300s a lot. Version. God damn. Oh, that's something that's unique as fuck. Shit. I wish I could have something from grandma like that. It's too. All the way you see.
2JZ gang is right here.
Shit. I might need another battery. That's the thing about this charger. It's like a block charger, so you can put like 3 of them in the cartridge to charge it. But it's shitty. I don't think it charges the battery. It's full. It says it's 100%, but it's probably like 60 or something, and it stops.
You think it came with the rear wiper? What the fuck?
Hmm?
The rear wiper on the back?
Yep.
Lights are fucking badass. Tires has welds.
That's probably for like foreign people. It's gonna be like surprising. Is the plates in the windshields? Cause I have the same thing on my Integra too. And I took pictures of you, and I had the real. My plate was in it too. I was like,
Yeah, I don't even fucking put the play. I just said it. They want the 740 or the 780?
yeah. Wow. And only a fucking dual exhaust, nice. So they got rid of the 3.
Actually looks good. That family looks nice. Not too big, not too small. That one looks pretty good too. Feels pretty good on the exhaust. Ratchet bolts.
Nice as fucking wheels though. Fuck with that VIP look. Fucking nice. Yeah, Christian, don't be like me waking up in the middle of the night fucking, I don't know what I ate, fucked up my stomach. I woke up, I was like, fuck. He has a whole ass fucking cup holder in there. Passenger side.
Shit, he's got lighters and everything.
Oh yeah, shit.
These are some nice fucking wheels. I don't even think it's close to the caliper. Fuck. It's as close as you can get it.
I like the hardware on it. The hardware looks nice.
Yeah, the
golden. Gives it a nice fucking look. Nah. Yeah.
This thing, man, I feel like Johnny. I can see Johnny rolling in one of these things.
Is it on
Look how
airbags?
long this shit is.
Is it on airbags, you think? Because he was way higher when he drove up, huh?
Yeah, I think it was for hydraulics or some shit.
Man, he has like custom
Hydraulics.
shit.
There's a hydraulic system in this thing. This thing looks like fun to cruise around.
Yeah, shit. Fuck with the fucked up look too, you know. It's like patina.
That shit gives it.
That shit is like really, really slammed to the ground on the airbags. It's like fucking touching it. Crazy. Damn, this thing is on beefy fucking tires. Those are fucking thick. Maybe too thick. Like sidewall wise. Maybe not. I don't know. I think he went the smallest. Look at this caliper. He went down out in the smallest wheel option on this one. See how it fills it up?
Fills it up.
Crazy. Oh yeah, that's why it's at 275 45 18. This one is gonna be white.
Black, tinted.
Oh, these are Mickey Thompsons.
This is the way I do it too.
Ooh, check
the
that out.
exhaust is clean.
Oh,
They put them together.
yeah. Put the roof down too. Yeah, I mean stock versus modified. Man, I don't know about the lug nut choice. It looks so fucking huge. Wow. Oh, so this one is like cloth versus leather. Baller shit.
Tops out at 140 kilometers. Going to the settings of the car and we'll contract the pistons.
Dang, the car has that in itself?
Some of them,
the car?
Some of the newer ones. Having on the specific
Clean, huh? Shit. I like how he has the whole like setup.
Oh, she don't even look down.
Ooh, fuck. Fuck. That's
That shit gave me fucking chills. I felt that shit in my ball, bro. Look.
we don't look down here no more. Fuck.
Scared it.
It's like that's like you can see that down there.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Favorite part about your car?
Oh yeah, no, it's so good.
Okay, no wing, but I also want Skylar.
Oh, he has a Snorlax in it. Huh.
You are just
What else he has? Forgot what else he has. He has like a bunch of cars though. We got some footage of these cars. He had like a
right hand
builder one
drive
time. Yeah. Yeah, this one is an import. These bad boys are clean as fuck.
Oh man, this Vixen wants to get some nice seats.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Like so you go first, and like second, third, like you switch levers.
Well, I was like, remember I was looking like
MX-5. This thing is clean. I've seen.
yeah, nice two-tone.
He's always out with these meets too. Gamyara. I fuck with his truck too, low key.
Yeah, this truck is fucking sick. Haha, that shit.
It reminds me of that.
Remember that shit? You're fucking.
I fucking because at work we have a metal handle one, so it's nice. Taking a picture of that bad boy. I fuck with this color. I watched this like Japanese guy, you know, throwing a video of a Japanese car meet when the cars were rolling in, and he had a footage like that. He put the camera.
Is it somebody's?
Whoa. Are these guys from the other meet though?
Yeah.
Damn.
Don't leave me out of it.
So we're gonna be heading actually to a park, see if we can get some rolling shots of our cars, and then probably just heading back home and try to catch some lunch on the way home. Yeah.
Some lunchy lunch.
Any word on the meets, Christian?
Pretty successul meet. A lot of
Good
people
chill,
turned
huh?
up.
Yeah, he said it was like 100 and last time we had 50 cars, and this one was like 120 cars.
Damn.
So